Welcome. In front of me I have the NUKI Fob, and I'll go for unboxing along with a quick look at the device itself. So anyway, opening it up, I have it stored in this super tiny little box, which I do need to cut into. It does have a seal at the top and the bottom. There we go. So instruction, and then the tiny little fob right here. It's actually smaller than I expected, considering the box is much bigger. Expected it to be taking a little bit more space in here, but it is super small. I have a button on here, tactile, maybe you can hear it. Sounds okay in terms of pressing. Now we have a battery that you can pop out from here, I presume. So I'm not even gonna attempt to open it up. And yeah, now from NUKI website, it's mentioned that you can have 200 of these paired to a single lock if that is something that you want. If you're running a company with those, obviously probably that would be beneficial to you. 200 employees can run with those, and just obviously press the button to open up the door. But yeah, that's basically it, and I think I just turned it on by mistake, but there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.